Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and today we're down near Kennedy Square looking at the soon to be completed, hopefully, Paphos Documentation Museum. Well, this is part of the exterior garden area. I'm showing you that before I go for a walk around the perimeter of the site, and then I'll be flying the drone to see what it's like from above. Now, since the project began, they've had these pictures on the outside showing you what it's going to be like. I mentioned them because recently in the press there was a group moaning about what it looked like and how it was destroying Paphos, etc., etc., you know, the sort of article. And it just strikes me as, considering that these big pictures have been up for a year, why it's taken them that long to have a moan about them. Personally, at Paphos Life, we think the place is going to be fantastic, and it'll be a real boon to Paphos. Now, I don't know if I can actually get through here at the moment, or will I have to? I was a little way through the hedge. I will stick the camera over the top here, but I'm going to fly the drone later anyway. But yes, whenever there's a new project in Paphos, there seems to be a group of people moaning about it. But that's all part of life, I think. We'll have a quick look at one of the more robust murals in Paphos up there, called Waveform, from what I remember. By Bane and Pest. There's second cup of coffee over there. With a couple of flags up. Are they getting ready for Carnival? Because the Carnival will be coming down here on February 21st, I think. So no, the week before that you've got the Cap St George Carnival on the 14th, and on the 15th you've got the Coral Bay Carnival. But yes, this museum is going to be a museum that documents the history of Paphos, and it features some very nice gardens and outdoor places as well as the indoors. I can't comment on what the indoors is going to be like. I do remember what the old police station used to be like, and the one time I went in there, all I thought was, my word, this is a fire risk, because everywhere seemed to be wood. This is more bunting up, presumably getting ready for Carnival. Because Carnival in Cyprus is a big thing every year. And this is the old police station itself. Now looking rather new. I'll tell you what, I'm looking forward to flying the drone here, because it's come on an awful lot since I last filmed here. And I know they're a tiny bit behind schedule now, but not much. Right, I may have to cross over here. Oh no, there's a path I can use. Previous times I've been down here, this has all been fenced off, this bit. I love the gutters they have here, which one of the issues I think Paphos has is, well, Cyprus has, they don't tend to have the drain system that you get in other countries. So it all just comes from the roof onto the floor. Have a little peek. Yes, I think it's going to be lovely when it's finished. And opposite there is part of Paphos Catacombs. I won't get distracted by that though. Let's bring you back this way. All these people in their cars staring at me. At some point I'll be able to cut through again. Suppose I can give you a easier view. It's all rather redundant, and I can film it properly here. Interesting lights as well. If you like car films, please subscribe to our YouTube channels. That's Paphos Life for this kind of film and the driving films, and Cypress Panoramas for the 360 version. And if you want to help us out financially, go to our Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/Paphos Life and chuck us a few coffees. They're all very gratefully received. And if you want to get something back in return, go to our Zazzle store at zazzle.co.uk/Paphos Life, and there you can buy all sorts of memorabilia from Paphos, featuring pictures we've taken and stuck on Facebook, and then Zazzle will put them on mugs, bags, all sorts of things, and calendars. And you can get a calendar in March, and you can have it so that it starts in April or March and finishes February next year, so you won't lose out if you buy one later in the year. Anyway, I think we've seen as much as we can do from land, so to speak, so I will launch the drone. Right, so this is a drone eye view. And we'll gently glide over the car park. You can see how wonderful the grounds are going to look when it's all complete. Tilt the camera down a bit. And we'll fly over the central part now, which is what's going to house the museum. Towards October 28th Square. And you can see there's like a outdoor theatre section, which is like a modern take on an ancient structure. And there you get the whole site. I don't know about you, but I think that's going to look great. A bit of an issue with the signal there. What? The lady couldn't find her car in the car park. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, we'll come back over the main area again and tilt the camera down. And you can criticise that all you want, but I think it's going to be fantastic. So congratulations to the mayor and who is ever behind it. And ignore the moaners. Right, what I'll do is tilt the camera back again and pull back so you have a nice view of the new museum and of the rest of Paphos. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.